right? Let's be faithful to the charge. Let's be faithful to the family. Let's be faithful to the resource and multiplying. Let's be faithful to the word of God. Let's be faithful to the spirit of God. How do we do that? Chris, you have to stand firm to the promises. You have to stand firm to the promises in observance of your duty. That's being faithful. In observance to your duty. What is your duty? You have to define that. Firm in or to the promises. Okay. How about this one? True to the facts. True to a standard. True to the original plan. That's being faithful, right? We like to coincide all these different things about faith or being faithful. No, let's get down to the nitty gritty. What is Jesus talking about here? In order to be a servant to a master, you have to be faithful. Okay. Now, concept is this system at work, right? This is why I say Jesus is bringing system to us. System at work, proof of concept. What is managed well multiplies. If you want to see the depth of someone's spirit and what they understand and what they do, you will look at them based upon what they manage. Which I always say, what solutions do they provide? Okay. So what is managed well multiplies. What is neglected will ultimately be removed. What we are trying to do is not neglect family, because what we have seen by concept, the reason why family is disjointed is because there is no management, right? Someone will say, well, I'm not here to manage nobody's emotions. Yes, you are. Well, I'm not here to manage no one's mental stability. Yes, you are. Based upon what? True to the facts, true to the standard, true to the original plan, firm to the promises, in observance of your duty, of your responsibility. Okay. Now, people, well, let me say this, resources, and I'm talking about money, intellectual property, what you know how to do, your skill set, all these things. Resources respond to management, not your intention. So we have people, we have family or friends or whoever, and I've said it before, we all said it. I had the best intention for you. The one thing that you're missing is management. Manage the resources to show me your intention. It's not only money, right? That's emotional, that's spiritual, that's all these different small things that we can do consistently that help us manage one another. So therefore, we will be what? Prosperous in what we do. Okay. So our growth is tied to activity and strategy.